Do you have EMI or those kind of things for these?
We have EMI for like which is a 0% of processing fee. Anyone can afford like 2,000, 3,000 rupees per month.
I had my hair transplant today. How fast can I go back to my work?
Just very next day of the hair transplant.
We already know the festive season is around.
Of
Interesting
course.
offers out there.
Of course, we do have a special offers on the festival days.
How much time it takes basically?
It will take around 4 months minimum for hair regrowth, and it will last up to 15 years.
15 years?
Yeah.
We all know that our hair means a lot to us. In some cases, it's also the sign of confidence for some people. Now, what hurts this confidence? What hurts this thing is hair loss. And that hair loss has brought us over here, the notion of hair loss, to hair creation. It's a clinic that gives hair transplantation in the most affordable prices. It's what they claim. They also say that they have the best technology that's available in the market and best people handling those things. Now, there's a lot of things excluding this that comes up, like will it hurt? Will this actually work? How long till hair grows back? Well, all these questions, all these notions has brought us over here, and hair creation already has 11 branches pan India, one of the branches over here in Bapuji Nagar, as I said. Now let's go and have conversation with them and let's see how true is this. Let's check it out. Now we have talked about a lot on this hair transplantation and the organization Hair Creations, but best to have conversation with the person who have founded it. G. Rajni, founder and managing director, who already have 11 branches pan India. Let's just have a conversation with her. Hello ma'am, welcome to our
Hello.
channel Orissapost Live. And ma'am, before I start, there's so many questions up in mind. And to be specific, let's be honest, there are lots of hair transplantation clinics out there. What makes this clinic, Hair Creations, special?
Yeah. Hello everyone. So I just want to tell you that why hair creation is like best, because we value the customer time, money and result. These things are very important for us. When clients come to hair creation, we always go through that, like they should be get a good consultation with the doctor, and the same time that pricing, and the same time the result. So at the same time, the hair creation always promise to the client for the best result. Why? Because without consultation with the doctor, we don't give any false and fake promises. At the same time, the client can afford. Hair creation, when I started, my goal and my USP was only one. It was like anyone can afford. Hair creation is for everyone, because suppose you also think that you want to go for the hair transplantation or for a hair treatment.
Maybe.
So first you will think like, oh, budget, right?
True.
Yes. Okay. So for that, always people think like, oh, budget is definitely the pricing will be very high. Can I afford or not? Or if I will go and tell my parents or my friends, they may laugh, they may make a fun of me. They'll say, "Arey, why you have to spend this much of amount for a hair and all?"
True, very true.
So here is like, when even though I started my career, I saw many people who used to come for that hair transplantation, and most of the time they are getting disappointed because of the pricing and all. Then I thought of let's start one organization for the people who can also invest for their hair, because hair is a beauty, hair is a crown. Doesn't matter like you are male or female. Male also need a hair, good beautiful hair. Okay, so this is the best what we can give, and we are giving, and we are promising. We only work, again I'm saying, this is hair creation is for common people who can afford. They don't have to think like before coming to hair creation, oh, what about the pricing and all. See, sometimes the people who can't afford also, we have a multiple option for them for the payments and all. We are helping them to be go through the treatment with that payment mode and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, you talked about your USP being, easily available for anyone who wants to
Yes.
come up with. Can we talk about the numbers here for a while? Like, what are the prices and how much are we looking into?
Prices and all is like, of course, person to person because
It varies.
yes,
Okay.
it's because hair transplantation price is different, hair fall treatment, regrowth treatment is different,
Okay.
and sometimes the person may need a like advanced treatment which is called two type of the surgery. So we have a BHT, body hair transplantation surgery, donor area. We take from the donor area also. So these are the different type of treatments we have. The cost also will go according to the treatments actually. As I said, hair creation is a place where we can give you the best price so that we can get more clients from you.
Okay. So, sometimes people, sometimes they feel that this price might be a bit big, but they want to come over here. Do you have EMI or those kind of things for these?
Of course.
Wow.
We have a EMI for like which is a 0% of processing fee without any interest and all. So the client can, I think for nowadays lifestyle, anyone can afford like 2,000, 3,000 rupees per month. Okay. And because as hair in hair creation, we have a very less pricing for the hair transplantation or for the regrowth treatment. So they can pay 2,000, 3,000 rupees EMI cost. And what they can do, they can go through with part payments also. If the person not having like any this good CIBIL and all, so we have a option for them.
It was fantastic. It was fantastic having conversation. And ladies and gentlemen, you right now know what she's bringing to the table. It's a clarity of the kind of procedures and things they're bringing on. So the best way to know is to see this conversation and obviously come over here and find it out yourself. We'll see what happens next. Thank you. Thank you to be part of our show.
Thank you
right
so much.
Now we have someone with whom we can discuss about the procedures. As a person himself is a person who leads the procedures over here, Dr. Nishu Sharma, aesthetics physician. Let's welcome him to Orissapost Live. Welcome to Orissapost Live.
Thank you.
Lovely having you here. Now, first thing that I would like to ask, could you walk us through the different hair transplant procedures that you follow in hair creations?
Yeah, sure. In hair creation, we are doing two procedures like DHI and FUE.
Acha.
In those procedures, we extract grafts from the backside of your head
Acha.
and put it wherever it is needed onto the baldness area.
So, when you say that you take it from here, is it a painful procedure?
No, absolutely not. We put some local anesthesia over there, and yeah, it's painless, 100%.
Sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how do you determine if someone is the right candidate for these kind of procedures? Is there any kind of process that you follow, and what is that process?
Yeah, good question. For that, someone needs to visit our clinic first. After that, we do a proper consultation, physical examination, some blood tests need to be done at that time, and trichoscope examination. After that,
What
we
is
can
that?
trichoscope examination. There is an instrument which is used for the examination of scalp.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So yeah, and after that, we can say that someone is a good candidate for hair transplant or not.
Sure. Now, when we're talking about hair transplant, there's one thing that always comes up easily. Is that if I go to the hair transplant, it is not something like something is wig or something like that.
Okay.
Hair transplant is completely different. It's how you grow the hair naturally, I guess.
Yeah,
Will it be
sure.
right to say that?
Yeah, of course.
So now people think that they go to the hair transplant clinic, they will come to hair creations, and next day the hairs will come back.
No.
So how much time it takes basically?
Yeah, you need to be patient in this. It will take around 4 months minimum for hair regrowth, and it will last up to 15 years.
15 years?
Yeah, easily.
Whoa. So now, to make something last for that long, there must be some kind of a post operation care, something like that. Is there something that one should
No,
do?
nothing. Do whatever you want to do in your daily life and leave that tension of hair growth and all upon us.
Well said. Well said. I can say that. So now again, going back to that, you said it, the effect, the procedure's outcome stays for 15 years. So what is the time period like people basically start seeing new hair? That 4 to 5 months, I guess.
Yeah.
4 to 5 months. Okay. So now, what are some of the common risks people should be aware of, and how does your clinic manage them?
Actually, nothing, because before procedure we took every single precaution, like drug allergy test
Okay.
and proper medical examination, blood test, uh, 2D echo, ECG, everything. If everything comes normal, then after we can perform procedures. Only then after.
So everything is foolproof.
Yeah.
That is for given with proper documents and everything, and proper reports. Now, if a person comes over here, has gone through the hair transplant procedure, how fast can they go back to the normal life? Like, if I am a person, let me be that person. I'm coming over here for the hair transplant. I had my hair transplant today. How fast can I go back to my work?
Just very next day of the hair transplant.
So no office leave, nothing extra.
Nothing is
Bad
required.
idea.
Yeah.
So, could you tell us a bit more about the technology and tools that has been used in hair creations?
Uh, like I said, FUE follicular unit extraction is already a modern technique of hair transplant. Uh, yeah, that is it.
That's pretty much
Yeah,
the most advanced thing that's out there in the market is
course.
there in hair creations.
Yes.
That's beautiful, isn't it? So now beyond the procedure, do you have some kind of long-term support or maintenance plan or something like that?
Yes, we are doing lifetime. We are giving lifetime support for every patient.
Bit explain on that one.
See, if someone needs any kind of help regarding post hair care and anything, they can call us anytime.
Anytime,
We
right?
are available 24/7 for them.
Help is one call away, and after help, stress relief is one call away.
Yeah, sure.
People kind of fear that hair transplants are damn costly, yeah, expensive. What are your take on this, on hair creations prices and all?
So I can give you guarantee in all over Odisha, we are giving the cheapest and the best treatment of hair transplant.
See, it's best and yet affordable, properly economical. Isn't it beautiful? Now, at last, we'd like to ask, every time we say this, there will always be an element of, being anxious about what is this procedure, what is this and that. One thing I would like you to say the audience that if somebody is still unsure or anxious about the process, what are some steps you would ask them, the audience, to know about?
Just do one thing, visit us, and I will make sure I will take care of everything.
Pretty much that's it, right?
Yeah.
He will take care of everything. You just need to visit him, and it's a fantastic conversation and very reassuring. And it's painless, I guess you said.
Yeah.
It is painless.
100%.
100% painless. Anyway, it was a fantastic conversation. Lovely having you here.
Thank you. Same here.
So with this, we had conversation with the managing director and founder, also with the one who is leading the procedures, the doctor, and we came to know that there is a varied prices for everything. If the prices, the procedures, what you feel like suits you is right, you can come over here. If you have doubts, you can always give them a call. And pretty much they said it's not a painful procedure, but then again, best you come over here, experience it yourself, and know more about it. This organization, Hair Creations, they already have 11 branches pan India, and this is the Odisha branch in Bapuji Nagar, and it's near, very near. So stay tuned to Orissapost Live for more such contents.